Good morning, you beautiful peeps. My name's John. Welcome to my channel. Have you ever wondered about series, I knew how to get that wrong, and parallel connectors on your RC batteries? It's something that I was wondering about, and I actually bought this, which is for parallel connection. And what you do is when you connect that to that and that to that, it does not double the voltage, it doubles the amperage. So whatever these two are, 1500 milliamp, 1500 milliamp, it will make it into 3000 milliamp hour battery, but it remains a 2S. Really important, because this one here will change it into series, yes, and that changes the voltage. So it will in fact make it into a 4S. Okay, so take these off. These are obviously 7.4 volt batteries, 2S each. So if I put those in like so, no big bang, which is always a good sign. I've just made this up and I'll just quickly explain how I did that afterwards. As you can see, we are at 0. Let's have a look. Now we're up to 14.96 volts. And if I take one of these off, 7.35 and okay, everybody, this is your warning. To be clear, when attempting to connect batteries to either parallel or series, they have to be the same voltage, milliamp hours, and C rating. So in other words, both have to be 7.4 volts, 1500 milliamp hours, and 25 C rating like the ones I'm using here. Do not use different values, as all you will do is cause a battery fire, and nobody wants that. Let's get on. 7.6. So, why would you do this? Well, because I want to do a test a little bit later on the WToys 124017, the brushless version, with a 4S battery. And it turns out that I don't have one. Even with all these RC cars that I have behind me, not one of them has a 4S battery. So by making this up, I'm able to make these into 4S. So all I did was, I'm terrible at soldering, I'll be clear, and that's the reason why I bought these and I use these religiously. I will just show it in detail. So these are the two connectors which obviously go to the batteries, and this is the one that then goes into the ESC. And you can see that you've got red to red, black to black, but here is the difference. You now have the red to black that makes it, well, doubles the voltage, obviously. Check these out here. They are so absolutely brilliant. So this is how I connected this one. Was push it in and then try to keep it as low or to the side as possible, because then this one will fit alongside it, like come on, like so. And then as you see how they're now both overlapped with each other. So my trusty pliers, because it's gonna get hot. Bring you guys down. Stop shaking. Now you do need quite a lot of heat. I've got this set at 450 C. Done. Right, ready? Check this out. See how that melted now? Excellent. It's going to be quite hot, so I'm not going to hold it for too long. Look at that. It's still a bit warm, so I really shouldn't be pulling it now. As you can see, it's come out slightly. But these are the ones obviously I did earlier, and they are rock solid. So there you go. That is the difference between parallel and series. I'm so happy I said that right again for the second time. It's that simple. So if you want double the run time, you could use this. But as what was pointed out when I did a video on this once, why would you carry around a second battery and the weight of a second battery when all you need to do is just swap them over and then you've got double the runtime anyway, which makes a very good point. Obviously, if it's in an aircraft or something, well then to land and take off again is a lot more hassle, but an RC car's right there, it's right in front of you. But when it comes to the 4S, you would need one of these. Now these can be purchased from the likes of AliExpress, and I believe Banggood as well. These, it's definitely worth getting some of these. I use them on quite a lot actually, and I'm just going to buy a big bucket load of them because it makes the soldering so much simpler. I'll have links in the description for both of these, so if you wish to pick some up, please use the links below, as it helps the channel, but you pay no more. So, I hope you liked the video. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and take care of yourselves. Bye bye.